Hi guys, we're working through some of the circuits on this hot wires, John Adams hot wires kit. I'm doing the radio circuits. I've done that one, number 75. I've just done number 76, which adds a power amplifier into it, as it says there. But it's very loud. Experiment 77 modifies it a little bit and adds in volume control. So we'll get on and do that. Just hold that still for a moment so you can see it. Right, the difference. We need that. Right, it looks like it's just replacing that resistor. The rest of it stays the same. So take that out. Oh, we need to rearrange a few bits. I see. Right, that one needs to go there. And a 3 to go across there. 2 to go up there. This fella's going to go there, and we need a little spacer underneath him. And that's going to go across there, and that one is going to go there. So it's just a bit of rearrangement to get the volume control in. So switch it back on again. Oh, I think we had a loose wire there. Yes, the volume control works.
What we tried to do to filter it out and tackle it. Yeah, well, it's a cultural problem of leadership. What happened in 1999 was...
Right, well that was quick. That'll do. That one works. So that was experiment 77, power amplified radio, which is too loud now, with volume control. So the next one we'll do adds in an automatic station selection, where you have a up and down can't say the word, up and down button. And it replaces that and that. Okay, we'll do that one then. So that's coming out. That's coming out. That's coming out. Right, a 6 along there. 2 there. 2 there. That slops about a bit there. I'm not too keen on that. Four there. A 3 there. 2 there. Uh, 3 there. That one there. So this is what we're adding in. And that's going to go there. Two. Right, I think that's it. Let's tidy these bits out of the way. Right, what happens now? We could do with a volume control on that, couldn't we? Do we add that in the next one? Yeah, we do. All right, well, we'll just try it as it is. Oh, let's follow the instruct. Oh, that might have been a problem. That was loose, wasn't it? Yeah, I don't like the way that all rocks around there. Right, assemble a circuit. Insert the batteries, close the button switch, press T. I see, and then it will automatically find all the stations. No, it doesn't. That's right. Assemble the circuit, insert the batteries, close the button, press T on the IC unit. It'll automatically find the first FM radio station. Once it's found the first station, press T again until all the stations are found, and then press R. Now you can use T to rotate quickly, to quickly rotate through all the stations you've found. So switch it on.
Too. Enjoying being noteworthy, kid, not that one. Others who got it right, we'll go through those and we'll give you the answer. Instagram if you want to see, but it sounds like he thoroughly enjoyed his Coachella experience. So you've fate destiny land of Providence. You could kind of enchanted wildflowers from gold and Lenore. You will see, and they know before they leave. The magic radio and more. I very dread the what's.
Well, clearly it's finding stations. I don't think I'm doing that in the right sequence, but we're there, and it doesn't help that we got loose connections.
But to sell them, you'll have to visit endless websites. But that's where you're wrong.
So, that'll do. Next video, we will insert the volume control. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.